Huawei's latest flagship phone launch snuck in without a word as the company launches the Mate 60 and Mate 60 Pro in China. According to Huawei, the Mate 60 Pro features a 6.8-inch FHD plus LTPO display with a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. The brand has curved the display at its four corners for comfort, while also improving its immersive display technology for professional colors and precise touch inputs. The Mate 60 Pro delivers a circular triple camera array consisting of a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide angle lens, and a 48MP telephoto sensor with OIS. Furthermore, users can record videos at 4K resolution while its front-facing selfie camera offers 13MP. The Mate 60 Pro utilizes the ARC multimedia engine to power mobile gamers through some intensive sessions. Huawei states the ARC engine helps to instantly load games and provide a smoother graphical experience. Powering all of this is the Mate 60 Pro's 5000 mAh battery with 88W wired charging support. Wireless charging support sits at 50W. However, the most curious aspect of the device is its supposed 5G capability. As reported by Reuters, users online have started noticing the network speeds of the device match that of a phone sporting a 5G chip. This could mean that Huawei has developed its own 5G network chip, potentially working around US restrictions that have kept it from acquiring 5G technology to use in its phones. At the moment, Huawei has yet to confirm if the Mate 60 Pro contains 5G support. Although, Huawei's statement to Android authorities says it has no plans to bring the device to the US market, which is no surprise. Additionally, the device comes prepared for a world with satellite connectivity for messaging and calls. Huawei informs that the Mate 60 Pro will let users continue to connect with those important even when a typical cellular connection is absent. Users can edit their satellite-sent messages, and they can also send location information if they need to be located by the emergency services. Huawei is delivering 12 GB of RAM paired with internal storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Mate 60 Pro lands in China with an ocean green-like color, as well as white sand silver, south waxy purple, and Yadin black colorways. The brand lists its 12/512GB iteration for 6,999 yen, roughly $960. While the base Huawei Mate 60 contains most of what its Pro sibling has to offer, they are watered down a bit. The differences begin with its battery shrinking slightly to 4,750 mAh and a shortened, non-curved 6.6-inch display. The rear triple camera array on the Mate 60 provides a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide angle lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens. Its front-facing selfie camera remains the same at 13MP. Wired charging also sees a 30-watt decrease, landing it at 66W. But its wireless charging sticks to 50W. Huawei is offering the Mate 60 in China with the same RAM/internal storage options and colorways, too. However, since some of the internal specs are slightly less, those in China can grab the Mate 60 for 5,999 yen.